Alright, so you've probably noticed something. Everywhere you look online, people are making coloring books, AI coloring books, kids coloring books, niche coloring books, and listen, they do work, but let's be honest, they're also getting competitive fast. So today I wanted to show you something a little bit different. Super niche KDP ideas that make more sense than coloring books. If that's what you clicked on, you're in the right place, because hidden underneath these giant trending categories are tiny little book types, super niche, super specific, that quietly sell every single day without competing against 10,000 other publishers. And the crazy part is that most people scroll past them because they don't look exciting, they're not glamorous, and they're not viral. But sometimes the books that don't look profitable are the ones quietly paying someone else's bills. So in this video, I'm gonna show you several of these super niches, why they work even if they're smaller, and how they can give you momentum, especially if you've been struggling to get your first wins on KDP. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first super niche KDP book idea is going to be called the multiplication maze book. Now, we're going to see total results really low at 196. So this niche virtually has no competition. But from Titans Quick View, we can see niche score a 57, and the Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is an 8. Now, when scrolling through the first page, the very first book right here, we're going to see independently published. So in fact, the KDP book with a very, very good bestsellers rank of 38,000. Now, this type of niche isn't going to be a bestseller, but this is going to be a great niche if you're trying to find some momentum, get your first few sales, and just work with a niche that is not so competitive. Now, if we take a look at this example of a multiplication maze book, we can see it's actually a very simple concept. It's basically a maze. You have a starting point, and as you do the multiplications, you just kind of follow along the maze here until you get to the finish line. Now, this book, looking at the description here, this one is designed for kids in grades 3 to 4, so ages 8 and above. And this book has a price of $7.92. A pretty short book, 66 pages, so not a lot of work once you get the hang of creating this type of book. Now, looking at the sample, you have your book belongs to page, a QR code for the review, and then the rules of how this book works. Now, looking at the pages, as you can see, here is the car signifying the starting point. You just kind of follow along this maze doing your multiplications until you end up here at the finish line, and then some more examples on the back cover. Now, this book has pretty high reviews, 4.9 out of 5 stars, 91% is a 5-star. Definitely a book to look at, review, and try to replicate. Now, when we look at the sales graph for the overall sales history, we can see that when the book was first released, a few sales here and there, and then it started to gain traction, and more recently started to gain even more traction because this line is more condensed than the previous line right here. So definitely doing a lot better now. So this is just an example of a book that can start doing well as the time goes on. Now, going back up here, we can see Titans Quick View with that bestsellers rank, 38,522. 30-day royalties estimated about $200 to almost $400 per month. So like I said, not super profitable, but still very, very good royalties to add into your portfolio. 30-day sales, a couple hundred sales per month. Now, the next super niche KDP book idea is going to be the Sight Words workbook. Now, we see total results a little bit higher, 2,242. There are definitely sub niches within this Sight Words workbook that can bring this total result down to a more manageable, about 1,000 or less. The niche score is a 68. Titans Pro analysis, we see demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9, and look at that average bestsellers rank, pretty good at 356,000. Now, looking through the first page, this row is going to have 3 KDP books. This one is ranked at 1,000. So this is going to be a bestseller, as you can see with the badge right here. And then this book closer to 1 million, and this book, same deal. Now, going through some more books here, This book is ranked at 3,000. So another book that's doing very, very well. And then some more sight words books here, like this one, 23,000. And another one right here. This one ranked a little bit higher at 721,000. But as we can see, some examples here of books that are doing very, very well, including this sight words workbook ranked at 60,000. Now, if we take a look at this example, this is the 200 must know sight words activity workbook. Now, this one is directed towards kids because this is a kids activity type of book. Now, this one has a #1 bestseller badge, and this is going to have 112 pages, sized at 8.5 by 11 inches. Now, this book price is $9.99. And then here is the first page, and it's basically a letter tracing type of activity book. As you can see, very simple, not that hard to put together in a program like Canva, but as you can see, not too complicated at all. And then here's the next section for this book. So this one has the letter I and then a very short sentence, and then so on and so forth. Now, this book with a bestsellers rank of 1,050 from Titans Quick View says 30-day royalties of anywhere from $7,000 to over $10,000 per month. And look at the 30-day sales, 3,000 to over 5,000 copies per month. Now, the next super niche KDP idea is going to be the syllables workbook. Now, total results, pretty low, 141, so not a lot of competition here. We see the niche score here from Titans Quick View, a 52. The Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 6. And scrolling through the first page here, we have this one, Counting Syllables Workbook, ranked at 149,000, so that's very good. And some more books here, this one 639,000, and then some more books that have sold. Like I said, these aren't going to be your top sellers, your high income earners, but these are books that can add on to your portfolio. So it's always a good idea to diversify, always a good idea to find other niches because you never know which one is going to be your best seller. Now, checking out this book, the Counting Syllables Workbook, this has a perfect 5-star rating, priced at $8.50. Very short book, 69 pages. And then the pages included is also in the description. So they have things like the definition and examples, circle the number of syllables, write the number of syllables in picture, write the number of syllables, word, read and sort, matching, and so on and so forth. So as a fellow publisher, this is a great way to kind of spy on your competitor because you kind of get an idea of what's included in the book. Now looking at the interior, here's the front cover, very simple. There are 2 pages of the interior as a preview on the front cover, very, very common for these types of activity books. And then you have your grades K through 1 right there. Now this book has a table of contents, very nice font, book belongs to page, even the tools needed, and then an explanation of what syllables are, and even examples of what syllables are. Now it comes onto the first page where the customer is going to circle how many syllables there are in each word. So very nice, very good looking type of interior. And then on the back cover, some more pages of the interior. So all in all, a very good looking book. Now this book with a bestsellers rank of 149,645 is seeing in 30-day royalties about $100 to $150 per month. So once again, not a best-selling type of book, but these royalties can definitely add on. And at the end of the month, along with your other books, this can make a big difference. Now, the next super niche KDP idea that we have is the word ladder workbook. Total results 227 and the niche score of 68. Demand is a 7, opportunity is an 8, and the average bestsellers rank, we can see 198,000. So everything here looks pretty good. Now, going through the first page, you have many word ladders here. This is from a big publisher ranked at 5,000. Now, most of these books are going to be from bigger publishers, but that just means that there's going to be room here for smaller publishers to get in on the action. Here's one at 181,000, this one 165,000, 267,000, 122,000, and this one right here, which is a KDP book, is ranked at 125,000. So if we actually look at this word ladders workbook, this one is for grades 6 to 8, And as we can see with the description, unlock the power of words with this exciting word ladder workbook. This is going to have over 100 word ladders and total pages, 105 pages, priced at $9.99. Now looking at the interior, here's a very simple cover and then some instructions on how to actually play the word ladder. And then here is the first one right here. Second one looks all very much the same. And once you have some type of generator to create this word ladder workbook, this becomes very, very simple. And if you want me to do a full tutorial on this word ladder workbook niche, let me know in the comments down below. And I can even show you a generator that will create this specific type of book. Now with that bestsellers rank of 125,480, that's going to be good for anywhere from $100 to over $200 in royalties per month. Definitely a great way to keep adding onto your total royalties for all your books. Now, the next super niche KDP book idea we have is the Scissor Skills activity book. Total results 1,098. And with Titan's Quick View, we see demand is a 7, opportunity is a 4. The niche score is actually pretty low here at 22, but the average bestsellers rank 250,000. Now, with that total results being about 1,000, it's not going to be too competitive here. And you're going to find some books here that are doing pretty well. This one right here, bestseller, ranked at 191. And scrolling more down, we see another book here, 17,000, 14,000, and some more books here, 35,000, 11,000. So a lot of examples here of books doing very, very well, including these two books right here, 48,000, and this one ranked at 93,000. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at this book, Scissor Skills activity book for preschoolers, ages 3 to 5. This book has a total of 108 pages and priced at $9.99. Looking at the description, we can see that this book is made up of single-sided pages. So even if it's 108 pages, total is going to be probably around 50 single-sided pages. Now looking at the sample, here is the cover. The book belongs to page with some elements around it. And then the back side to this page, as you can see, blank. And then scissor and safety tips. And then the first page of the interior, which is a practice page. As you can see, there's some dashed lines here where the customer or the child will cut out and follow this line. And then on the back cover, a couple more pages of the interior. Now this book with a ranking of 93,103 is seeing 30-day royalties estimated at around $200 to $300 per month. So definitely another good book to add on to your existing book titles, and also just a good book to start to gain momentum and start making some sales. So those are a handful of super niche KDP ideas that don't get talked about, don't get overloaded, and honestly can be way easier to break into than coloring books right now. Now, are these niches gonna make you rich overnight? Not really, but they're powerful because they give you momentum. And that's the one thing everyone needs to be successful. Now, if you're just getting started with KDP or you want a simple roadmap to follow, you can download my free KDP royalty roadmap in the description down below. It'll walk you through how to publish your first low and medium content book without feeling overwhelmed. If this video helped you see what's possible, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.